Hey there. If you're on a quest to shed some pounds or just want to boost your energy levels, you might want to zoom in on a tiny powerhouse. Chia seeds. Yes, you heard right. Today I'm diving into how these little wonders can be a game changer in your weight loss and energy boosting journey. So let's get started. First off, what's all the hype about chia seeds? Well, these tiny seeds pack a punch. High in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, they're not just good, they're great for your health. Now, how can they help with weight loss? It's simple. The fiber in chia seeds absorbs a large amount of water and expands in your stomach. This means you feel full longer and naturally eat less throughout the day. But here's the kicker. While they help you manage your appetite, they also stabilize your blood sugar levels. This stabilization means you avoid those high spikes and sudden drops that can make you feel tired and reach out for unhealthy snacks. Now let's talk about incorporating these seeds into your daily routine. It's super easy. You can sprinkle chia seeds on your breakfast cereal, add them to your yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. And if you're feeling a bit more creative, how about a chia pudding? Just mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, let it sit overnight, and voila! A delicious, healthy breakfast or snack waiting for you in the morning. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are not just about weight loss, they're also about energy. They're a fantastic source of protein and other essential nutrients that help boost your metabolism and increase energy levels. Perfect for those who live an active lifestyle. All right, to wrap this up, remember, while chia seeds are beneficial, they're part of a bigger picture. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key to any weight loss and health regimen. So incorporate chia seeds into a healthy lifestyle and you're setting yourself up for success. That's it for today. If you've enjoyed this little seed of wisdom, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and sprinkle some comments below on how you use chia seeds. Catch you next time, and here's to a healthier you.